Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change username on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app and you can see this is my home page. Click on the settings, go for this arrow section and you can see there is a edit option here. You have to click on it. Now from here you can change your name. So okay, I'm done. Then go for just save. So you can see it's done. So guys, this is how you can change username on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.